मेरा शर्ट द मोनो भी आना चाहिए. First of all, you will press star hash. Here you will give the 6-digit password. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Anyone you can give.
Please input again.
Again 1 2 3 4 5 6 hash.
0 administrator password. Adding succeeded. Press.
Here coming the option add user, delete user, system setting. Okay, first of all add user. You will press 1.
Add fingerprint.
If you want to add the fingerprint, you will press 1. For password 2. For add card 3. First you want to add the fingerprint, press 1. Here the admin password, here the user password.
Add user fingerprint.
Press 1.
Fingerprint.
Press hash. I will press my finger here. 1
Press your finger. Please
2
move left a little. Please
3
move right a little. Please
4
move up a little. Please
5
move down a little.
6. Now I am added.
Administrator
Okay.
fingerprint.
If I want to add the other person, simply I will press the hash
Place your finger.
and the other person finger. Okay, 5 times will be add. If I want to add the other person,
Press.
okay, press 1 hash,
Please input number.
hash
Please
the
place
third
your
person. Same like this one for the user. Here coming option for the user.
Administrator fingerprint.
Press 2
Please input number.
hash
Please
for
place
the
your
user.
finger.
Same procedure, same like the admin password. Okay.
Press.
If you want to add the password, press 2.
Press.
Admin password or user password. You are admin, you will press 1.
Please input
You will
number.
press hash.
Please input
Here you will press any 6-digit password. Let's suppose I am making here 635241 hash.
Please input
Again 635241 hash.
01. Administrator
Same like
password.
if you want to add the other person, simply
Administrator password. User is full.
As a user.
now
Press 1. Add an administrative password.
same like
Please input
2
number.
hash for the
Please
user.
input
You can give the password for the user. If you want to delete, same like here coming the press 2. If you want to add delete the fingerprint, press 1.
Please input number. Press pound key to confirm. Please input number. Please input number. Press pound key to confirm.
01.
Same like
Please input number.
After adding it will
Press
delete it.
1.
when I will
First
add
you
the
need to
pressing, first we have to add, after you can delete like this one. Okay, flash.